We're going to use some stick glue and talk about how to use it and the best way to make it work. Welcome to the Art Project. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you enjoy this video, if you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and leave any comments or suggestions down below. So this is some stick glue. You'll notice it comes in like 3 different sizes and different brands. And this is the picture that I'm going to glue down. I have a drawing that I cut out and laid on top of this black paper, and I want to make it permanent. So I'm going to glue the drawing down to the black paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip the drawing over and lay it face down so that I can put some glue on the back. Now, as I do this, I'm going to put the glue systematically from the left side of the picture all the way to the right side of the picture. And I'm going to try and do this as careful as possible. I don't want to wrinkle up the drawing or catch it or anything like that. And I want the glue to go all the way to the very edges of the drawing. Essentially what I'm doing is making a sticker, making a giant bumper sticker. Obviously I'm not really going to put it on the bumper of my car, but I'm making a sticker. And stickers and bumper stickers have adhesive all over the back of them. There's not any place on the back of a sticker that doesn't have adhesive. This allows it to stick down all the way without the edges curling up or having air bubbles in the middle, and it usually looks really, really nice. The problem with stick glue, though, is by the time I get all the way over here to the right, the left side has dried out because the paper is porous and it soaks up all of the moisture from the stick glue. So I put a second coat on top of the first coat. The first coat basically clogs the pores of the paper, and the second coat becomes the sticky part that will adhere to your paper. Now, I don't want to wait too long after getting the glue on here, so I'm going to move the newspaper out of the way because it also has glue on it. And I'm going to lay the drawing down because it's harder to move the drawing around than it is to move the black piece of paper that I'm gluing to the back of it. And then I laid the black piece of paper down, lining it up with the edge, and then carefully smoothing it out in the middle. I'm going to take this ruler and cut the edges off, and then flip it over and cut the excess black off that has stuck out beyond the arm. So that's how I did that. That's how stick glue works. Here's my finished product. Now it's your turn. Go make some art.